to our channel. I'm Mabel.
I'm Moon.
And today we're back and we're going to be continuing this build battle. We are very sorry we haven't been able to record for like 10 months. It's because of we just got into middle school and then everything happened. We are hosting a series of episodes with our best friend Zelda.
Yes.
And the Babysitters Club in Roblox. So
yeah.
Make sure to watch that. Make sure to watch that video
when it comes out.
Yeah, and we were trying to convince Molly to come, but she wouldn't come.
Yeah, so it's just gonna be us today. Yep. So, this time I will be building.
As you know, in the last few videos, we promised y'all we would do a giveaway. So these are the few days. By Friday, we will be doing a giveaway in Adopt Me for any pet you would like that we have. And we don't have too many pets, just so y'all know.
Yeah.
But we have albino monkeys, we have tigers, we have bats.
Yes.
We have unicorns.
And you have to friend us to join the giveaway.
Yes, you have to friend us. And y'all have to subscribe, hit the like button, and do everything in the world. And you have to join the Pineapple Squad, because that's our squad. Pineapples are good and they're sunshiny. We bring sunshine to the world.
Yes, so this time I'll be building. I have $4,000 to build with in 10 minutes.
Yes, and if you did not know, me, Mangle, and Molly we'll show you the houses with me. This is my house. This is my house. It's really dark and yeah.
Yeah, and then right here is the bathroom.
Yeah, I did the best job, obviously. But
And let's go to Molly.
And then over here on the other side of the world, Molly.
Yep.
It's I love it, but
it's yeah. But I think I could probably beat Molly.
Yeah, she has a chair, she has a refrigerator, she has clothes. Nice.
I mean, that's nice. Okay, well, I'm going to start building right now.
Yeah, and I'm going to be describing everything because
You can come in. All right.
Okay, go in 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, let me start. So, I'm going to start building this.
So, if you did not know, guys, this is for the challenge. There will be 10 minutes and you'll only have $4,000 to build as much as you can. And at the end of this final Bloxburg build-off video, you guys will be deciding who did the best.
And let us know who you like best in the comments.
Yeah. And remember, the black house is Molly, middle is Moon, and the last one is Dangles. And the week. So, you can see that Moon's building
something.
Yeah,
I don't want to spend too much money.
Yeah, I would do the roof first.
Yes.
But that's probably the most money.
Yeah.
Why the red door, though?
I'm going to color it after. Don't worry.
Oops.
I'm gonna save myself some money and just.
You're doing. See, this is a problem. I have an amazing roof and a good house. There's flat roofs.
Well, yeah, but I think this would look pretty good. So let's put in the floor because we always have to put floor, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so we got. Okay. Okay.
Lights,
yes, I will be doing that after. I don't have too much money left, actually.
How much money do you have left?
I think I only have about 3,000 left already. I'm sorry. Okay, but first we gotta. Okay, now I gotta build my kitchen because that's very important. Where is it?
The only thing is her kitchen. She's gonna forget about everything else.
No. Okay, we gotta do this. Regular.
I like the windows because I would I would be claustrophobic in this house.
Let's put the build value high. Okay. And we're just
Just
gonna...
to let you guys know, Moon does have $60,000. She's been like working for a year.
Basically.
And she didn't want to. I told her to give away money, but well, if you guys think we should spend Moon's money,
Alright.
let us know in the comments.
Okay.
And just to let y'all know, we will be doing another giveaway on Christmas Day.
Yes, we will.
And we're gonna have some of our old friends come back to the channel. Like, you guys probably remember.
And we might have new people.
Yeah, we might. Like, you never know. Like, you always have to stay tuned.
Yep. Okay.
And we actually feel really bad for not posting. We've been wanting to post so much.
Yeah.
It's just that we had, because of everything that happened during this crazy 2020 year, we weren't able to do it much. So we had to take a break. We had to get settled in because everyone knows mostly school is first. And we had to put school first in that situation. So we had to get used to it. And now that we have all A's, some of us, we can start building and like doing some videos for you guys again.
And we will be posting maybe another video later today.
Yeah, we will definitely will. We will try to post another one again. Like maybe 3 today to get y'all updated, get y'all have some fun. And yeah. And Megan, you only have 5 minutes left.
What? Why?
How many do you have left?
Like 1,000? Well, I have like about 2,000 left. It's okay.
You only built a kitchen, Moon.
So? That's fine. That's fine. Okay, we're doing this.
Oh my god.
We got it. We got it. It's
Moon.
fine. Wait, I'm fine. I'm fine.
And guys, make sure you give us some ideas for like challenges we can do or have like a role play. And yeah.
Okay.
Moon, what are you doing? You're not doing anything right now. That's what I'm saying. 4 minutes left.
Oh my god.
Plus 3 minutes.
I'm trying to look for a TV.
Why do you want a TV? Get a bed. Really needs. Where are you gonna put the bed, Moon? Get a smaller couch.
Okay. Okay, we gotta delete this couch.
Put the TV in front of the bed. You need lights in the window.
Girl, wait. I'm struggling here. I'm struggling, guys. I'm looking for bed, but I can't find it. I'm like freaking out right now. This is stressful. You guys should try this out and let us know how you guys work under pressure.
You try to play this challenge with us and see how you do.
Yeah. Let me just, okay, it's good.
Not a huge bed.
We're fine.
You're not fine.
It's too bad. There's no other way. I'm struggling.
3 minutes.
Oh my god. I don't have that much money. Okay. It's fine, it's fine. Oh my god, I just put a couch outside. Fine. I'm fine. Promise, guys, I'm fine.
Oh my gosh, Moon. What are you doing?
I don't know. Okay, it's okay.
You spent over 4,000.
Nope, I still have 1K. I have like a little more to spend. Okay, I'm gonna buy a TV. I have to. Actually, I need lights. How many minutes do I have? Moon.
2 minutes.
I mean, Mango, sorry.
Wait, what'd you say?
I called you Moon.
Moon?
Okay. Just like...
Oh, wow, that's right. Wow, that's right. Are you gonna color the walls or anything, or keep them boring gray?
I'm gonna color them, don't worry. I'm gonna color everything if I have a chance.
2 minutes and 30
Oh no! I think I might buy this little TV right here. But I need a table. I need a table. Oh my god, oh my god. This is stressful, guys. No, it doesn't let me.
Oh my god.
That's okay, it's okay. We're doing this.
Why not table?
I don't know. It's fine. Little TV.
It doesn't even fit on the table, Moon.
It's fine. We're fine. I'm fine.
1 minute.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Why pink?
I don't know. I'm just picking random colors.
Let's put a light switch.
Oh my god. Oh no, oh no. Okay.
A shower. You need a bathroom.
Oh my god.
That's not a big enough house.
I don't know. I'm gonna put the shower outside. Don't question it.
Oh my gosh. Moon.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, I haven't paid my bills.
You didn't pay your bills? It's fine. We'll do it later.
Whee!
You have enough money.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, sink. I have like a little bit of money left.
Oh my gosh. 50 seconds.
What?
No, Moon.
It's okay. We got this. Come on, come on, come on.
Where's the bathroom?
It's outside.
It's what?
I'm sorry, I didn't have time.
Make a door. You have to be able to go in.
Oh my god.
3 seconds.
Oh no, 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 no. My chairs. No, I still have like $200.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys.
You got this. You got this.
I hope.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
I stopped. Okay, guys, I think I did terrible. Alright.
Let's leave build mode.
Yep, let's go. Come on. Oh no. Guys, as you can tell, my build was not that good.
So, welcome to Moon's humble home. She does not have a light switch. You have to go manually up there and turn it on. But
All
we
right.
have electricity.
Okay, come on,
Pay
guys.
your bills.
1 second, guys. Okay, and then we have to admire the beautiful bathroom outside.
No, pay your bills first, honey.
Girl, we need to admire the beautiful bathroom.
Where's the toilet?
You poop on the grass. Okay, it's just like old times. Alright, let me pay my bills.
In a bucket, not in the front.
Alright, I paid my bills.
Okay. Then I'll go lights manually.
Manually because I don't have a light switch.
I love the style, but like...
It's okay. It's not the best, but it's kind of homey. You can use the bathroom outside just like if you were camping. It's okay. But let us know in the comments which house you think is the best. If you need to rewind and go watch the other ones that we posted.
Watched it. You may watch them. But make sure to be early on this video and comment as
Early on the comments.
And love you guys.
Love you guys. Bye. See you.